I'm learning from my mistake, guys. I tied my hair up this time and I don't have to do this and this all the time today. Why am I being so over dramatic? Ah. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for watching. Hope you all are doing amazingly well. And thank you so much for clicking on this video. You have a great choice of videos that you must watch. Anyways, thank you so much. And now today's video, what is it going to be? Why am I pretending like you don't know? You've read the title. You know what's in this video. So today I'm going to be unboxing my giveaway gifts. So these are all Indian brands. These are all giveaways that I'd mentioned that I'd won in the last video, but they weren't here in time for filming, and that video had become super long, so I didn't want to stress you guys out. But it took a little bit of time to reach home, of course, due to the COVID pandemic. All the deliveries have been rescheduled, and let's just let it go. Also, that video had become super long, by the way. I'm sorry for that. This video is also probably going to be long, so I'm sorry for this too. But I hope you enjoy. So, okay, let's stop the talking. Let's move on to the gifts. Disclaimer, I have sanitized all these packages beforehand, so they are all safe to use. Now let's move on. The first brand I'm going to start with is this. So this is by Gorgeous Cosmos. I know because of the taping. And so they had a Gorgeous Summer of Hope contest. So this is not a giveaway exactly, it was a contest and I won it, and they were really systematic, so I would really like to applaud them for that. They had categories, and they had specifically mentioned that what winner of what category will get. So I already know there are going to be 3 polishes and 2 stamping plates in this package, and one out of this polish is going to be from their new neon collection, which I'm really excited about. And I really hope that it's the neon yellow. I don't know what color it's going to be. Entire neon collection, it looks really good. I saw some swatches, and so I'm going to open this up and let's see what color I got. So I can see that there are 3 polishes, and so the really fun part is that they have labels on the top, but the neon one doesn't have the label, so I don't know which neon it is yet. I'm going to open it last. I'm going to be truthful, guys. So the first one is this. Oh, I can see. So the first one is this. Oh, I can see it's a pretty red already. Oh wow, it actually has a little bit of sheen to it. Guys, I love a good red, and this is such a pretty red. If you all can see, it's a very pretty color, and thank you so much. Now let's move on to the second one. Second one is this. It's a hollow, you guys. You can't see it. I'll insert like a close-up shot of all these polishes later, but it's a really pretty hollow, you guys. This is beautiful, guys. Thank you so much. Guess what we have? Yes, it's the neon yellow. I'm sorry if I'm screaming, you guys. I really wanted the neon yellow. I love the whole collection, but I just had my eyes on this one. It's so beautiful. Thank you so much, Gorgeous Cosmos. I really love it. And there are the 2 stamping plates. These are the pretty. See, these are like 2 round stamping plates. But you are going to see swatches of this soon on my channel, on my Instagram page, so do follow both my Instagram pages. Thank you so much, Gorgeous Cosmos, for sending these lovely goodies across. I really, really love them. I have tried Gorgeous Cosmos polishes before, which is why I was so excited about them. So, thank you so much. And now let's move on to the next parcel. Now, the second parcel is this beautiful gift wrap parcel. This was actually a giveaway hosted by 3 people. So it was hosted by Mandi, Ritika and Koroko World in collaboration with each other, and these are going to be 3 polishes, but I do not know the shade, and I'm really excited. I've heard a lot of good things about this company and I've wanted to try this ever since. So I'm really glad I get this chance to see what they are. And oh, I can see a little bit of glitter. So, what are they? Guys, this is so pretty. You can't see anything because they're wrapped in, like, should I take this off? Yeah, I'll cut this off. So these are 3 beautiful shades of my cutter. So these are 3 beautiful shades. The first one is like a metallic shade. So these were going to be 3 different finishes, which I knew, but I had no idea about which color they were going to be. So the first one is this from Koroko World RCR Beauty. Second one is this green glitter metallic shade, and third one is this beautiful creme shade. So this reminds me of tomato soup. Thank you so much, Koroko World, Sumandi and Ritika, for sending these across. I really love them and I can't wait to try them. I just said their Instagram ID. It's from NewGel and I really love that brand. I have tried their polishes before. They were really kind to send me their polishes, so I have an idea of this brand and I really love them. But here's the twist. I don't know how many polishes are in this and I don't know the shades. So all I know is that I won this giveaway. So it was actually a Mother's Day collaboration that we did and I was lucky to be chosen as one of the 3 winners. So I don't know what is in there, but when the parcel came, it was really heavy. So I'm guessing there'll be like around 6 polishes. I don't know. Let's see. So this is the box. It's a pretty big box, which is why also while opening it I did rip it. So now I can't close it, so you can see this cap. But I haven't seen the polish. So it's a pretty big box. It is a little bit heavy, so I'm guessing there are at least 4 to 6 polishes. So I really love this box as well. They have their name on the side and everything. It's so professional. And you guys, it's just filled with polishes. There are how many polishes are? I don't want to. Can you see this? It's huge. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 polishes, you guys. 10 polishes. So I'm going to show you all of them one by one. This is seashell pink. It's a really pretty nude pink kind of. It's very similar to Irish Cream, which is actually one of my favorites from them. This is a beautiful metallic metal brown is the shade name. This one is also a beautiful creme shade, which is called Terracotta. It's, I think, similar to this a little bit. No, this is a little darker, but it's also a very pretty color. Now this is called Poised Taupe. Taupe, is that how you pronounce it? I'm sorry, but it's also very pretty. This will, I feel, will look great as like a base coat for a lot of manis. Next one is this matte top coat called a Bean. So this actually looks like what kidney beans are. That color looks really pretty. I love matte colors. For those who don't know me, I really love matte. I really love creme as well. I don't have that many mattes, but I love mattes. Oh wow, this is a neon pink matte shade. Looks very pretty. I'm super excited. Now this is a pretty green. It's called Jasper Green, and this is I think a deeper, darker version of Emerald Green, which is another shade of theirs that I do have. And this one is called Tulip Love, another pretty pink. I love pinks, by the way. For those who don't know me, I love pinks and blues. This one is called Rough Pink, Raw Pink. If I butcher these names, I'm super sorry. But this is also a very pretty pink. So there are a lot of pink shades, but they all look different, okay? And this is the one that I'm eyeing the most, because for everyone who doesn't know, my favorite color is blue, and this shade is right up my alley. So it's called Berry Blue. It's a beautiful blue. It is coming slightly darker in the camera than it is in real life. In real life it's brighter, and I really love this. I'm looking forward to trying all these out. Thank you so much Newgel for sending these across. I'm really excited to try them. And if you want swatches of any particular polish, do comment down in the comment section below, and I'll swatch it for you guys. Swatches of any particular ones, first comment down below in the comment section and I'll read. I read all the comments. And follow my Instagram on @nailswithprachi and @nailswithprachi swatches, and I'll upload the swatches on both pages, or at least one page for sure. I can't wait to swatch you guys. Hope you all really enjoyed this video, and I really enjoy making such types of videos. So I hope you guys like watching these videos too. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. And if you're not subscribed yet, go subscribe. That subscribe button is in red. It's danger. Click on it, make it white. The color of peace, you guys. But thank you guys for watching, and hope you guys really enjoyed. Hit the like button, comment below your favorite shade, and I'll swatch it for you. And thank you, and keep watching. Until next time, bye bye.